Okay, so today I'm stuck out here with a Char-Broil. I think it's some brand. Cooking some burgers. There's a ouch, something's in my foot. There's a burger, and another burger, and another burger. That's 3 on this side and 3 on this side. Some type of grill that I used. I know what this grill does because I used it at my dad's birthday. Oh, and here's some more hamburgers. If you're looking at the patties, wow. Ah, no, my camera just touched meat. It's smoking. It's butter flavored cooking spray. Shows cookies. I get the gag. It's hilarious. And look, it's sizzling. Pointless. No, it's point. Good and it's tasty and juicy.